So we started by discussing our menu and placing our order, and then I proceeded to make menu cards that I will put on top of the plates. I did this because my brother likes fancy things, and I think this will make our place setting fancier. For decorations, I started with this board that I found inside my room. It came with an easel, so I thought that it would make a good decoration. I didn't want to put anything permanent on my board, so I just used some paper and double-sided tape, and that's where I drew on. Because supplies are limited, I didn't have a long strip of paper that I could use as a banner, so I just did this one word per sheet of paper thing, and just put double-sided tape on the back so that I could stick it on the wood that I have outside. Because of quarantine, we couldn't dine outside, so I gave our place a faux name and a signage so that it could add some more feels. I thought that it would be nice to give my brother a token for this day, and what's a better token for a graduation party than a certificate? So I made a fake certificate, which I signed and my mom signed as well. And here is a time lapse of me and my mom setting up our garage. I added floral placemats on the table to match the very plant-themed garage that we have. I decided to drape my LED lights across the congratulatory signage because I thought that this would make the place look more like a cozy restaurant. We brought out an extra table to place the food on. Here I've started to transfer the food that we ordered in nicer plates. I decided to do this because I thought that the takeout packaging would ruin the restaurant ambiance. And don't forget to dress up even if you're just at home to complete the party look. End result in 3, 2, 1.
Take advantage yung